will I be judged if the generation of Axiom passes away? Oka Tase.
Samu 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 dana. Samu 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 dana. Yeah yeah.
fàlà, kò dé fàlà, kò dé fàlà, kò dé fàlà, kò dé fàlà, kò dé. Axiom, Izada, 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 Axiom, Axiom, Izada, 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 Axiom.
Izada! Izada! What are you doing here? Izada! 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 Gods of my fathers! Izada! 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 Izada!
It is all right to grieve, and it is all right to shed tears. This is a heavy one, to always be with you, to always guide you. I am here, and I am prepared to go with you through this thorny path. You have me in your corner. Grieve all you want. Let the tears flow.
My love, I'm ready now. I'm ready to make you mine forever. To come home and you are the first I will see.
I can't wait to always be by your side. Always be there to welcome you with warm embrace. Make your food. Live through despair and happiness. I can't wait to have your seed. Nurture them and grow our family. I love you.
I love you, Izada. Yeah.
Izada.
Yes, my love.
Every fiber of my being yearns for you. Your touch drives me crazy. Your eyes are the windows to my deepest desires. Your love is the oxygen that keeps me alive.
In your arms, I found my haven, my sanctuary, my home. Your love is my addiction, and I'm hopelessly hooked. I crave the way you make me feel, desired, wanted, and loved beyond measure.
Izada,
Yes.
your lips, your skin, and your smiles. Every part of you drives me wild. I am consumed by the thought of you. My love for you grows stronger each passing day.
You're the fire that burns within me, the flame that flickers with passion, and the inferno that rages with desire. Forever and always, my love, my heart beats for you. I love you.
I love you, Izada.
Welcome, my husband.
Thank you.
The gods of my fathers, you promised and you have fulfilled it. For this wonderful gift that you have given me, I am going to give you the greatest sacrifice ever. Axiom, will soon be a father. Izada! 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 What are you doing?
My love,
Yes.
you're back.
What are you doing with cutlass and firewood? You have my baby inside you, Izada.
My love,
Yes.
I just want to cut a little firewood so that I'll be able to make food for us.
Just drop the cutlass, please. You know what? Give me the cutlass.
But you're just coming back from work.
Yes, give it to me. I still have enough strength to cook for you. I will cook for you, my love. You have my baby inside you. I don't want to stress you. Just come. I will cook the meal and I will make sure you eat very well. Just come and relax.
Love.
You know you have my baby inside you. You're with my baby. Come.
Okay.
Come and
If you
rest.
insist.
I will cook for you. I will take care of you. Zada,
Okay.
please come and rest.
Okay, my love.
Yes. Come. Rest, okay? Just rest. I'm coming, okay? Let me cook for you.
My love.
My love, what are you doing here? I hope everything is alright.
No need to panic, my husband. I was bored at home, so I thought, why not take a stroll and come and see you at the farm. I brought food as well.
But I did not tell you to do this. You are carrying my baby. I don't want to stress you. I understand your condition. Why are you doing this?
But it was the baby that demanded I take a stroll. I'm only obeying the baby.
It's okay. I will allow you stay here. If you promise me that you will not do any work here, that you will not touch anything, then I will allow you stay.
Fine, I promise.
Are you sure?
Yes, so my love.
Yeah, come here.
My love,
Yes.
have you considered the name for our child yet?
I have not thought of it. I'm waiting for you to give birth first. Then I can come up with a perfect name for our child.
The patient is too thin for me. What if it's a girl?
What do you think?
For a girl child, I've always considered Aria.
But on the other hand, Precious Jewel is a befitting name for our daughter.
And what if it's a boy?
Boy. I've always thought of naming my son Messina. Messina is a good name.
Reassuring. I love it. Now we have a name for Ida ready when the time comes.
You have succeeded in corrupting my patient. I cannot wait.
I can't wait either.
My love, Izada. You know I love you, right?
I love it too.
Let it out. Let it out. Whatever it is.
Mother, how long have you been here?
Long enough to be worried, my daughter.
Mother, I am fine.
Sitola, you are not. A mother who cannot, even in blindness, see the sufferings of her offspring is no mother. You have been a hollow of yourself lately. Tell me, what troubles you?
Mother.
Yes.
I am so worried. I am so worried about Axiom.
What is with Axiom?
I've admired the love and affection Axiom and his wife once shared. The love was so beautiful. It's something everyone wishes for. But all of a sudden, just a twinkle of an eye, everything is vanished. Just like that. People that used to be best of friends are no longer together to cheer each other up. And now, Axiom is a whole lot. He now wallows in his own agony. I feel so bad for him. Axiom is now a shadow of himself. I feel so bad for him, Mother.
Zitola, life happens. Yes. It is right to help those in grief. It makes our heart pure and our conscience right. I also feel for Axiom. And this is the second wife he is losing.
Mother, second what? You mean he was married before?
Yes. That was when he was at his paternal hometown. His first wife died giving birth. He then relocated to his maternal hometown. Here. He left his paternal hometown when he lost his child, niece, and brother, what he called family. We all pitied him when he arrived. He was so withdrawn, alone, until he found love in Izada. They were so perfect for each other. They were so inseparable, like you said, until death came. I also feel for him. I wish he will find happiness someday.
I wish there is a way I can be of help to him. I wish.
It is righteous, my dear, to help people in grief, to ease their pains. But it is also cruel to deprive them their grieving process. Yes. Let us all pray to the Creator that He will find happiness someday. Don't worry, my dear. Axiom will find happiness. Only the Creator can make that.
Axiom. 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 Axiom.
Isada, my love. Isada.
Axiom. 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 My love. My love. My love. I'm in the kitchen. I'm making food for us. My love. I'm in the kitchen. I'm making food for us.
My love. Is that really you? Are you back with me?
I would have been back since, but the market was very busy today. I'll be quick, I promise. Or would you like to keep me company? Because that's your favorite thing whenever I'm cooking.
By the gods, let it be that I'm dreaming. And this is reality.
What are you saying, my husband? This is me. And I'm here.
My love, what about the pregnancy?
Oh, about that?
Isada. Isada. Isada.
Hey! 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 Action! 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 Axiom, what exactly is wrong with you? It is all right for people to grieve, I said that already. It is understandable when people grieve. But when they overgrieve, it becomes a problem. Imagine if your wife is here, looking at you. Do you think she will be proud of the man you are now? No! A man who has become a weakling, a man who is looking as if he is not sure of anything, a man who is degenerating into madness. No, is that what you want for yourself? Listen to me. The way you are going, it can only lead to madness, and that is not what you want for yourself. I am urging you. I am urging you to reinvent yourself, because you have handled worse scenarios than this, and you did not get broken. You maneuvered your way and you stood out, and that is exactly what I want you to do now. I was with your father, and I made promises to him, and that is what I am sticking to, and that is to tell you the truth always. That is what I am doing. Try to reinvent yourself. Take care of this desolation that is staring you in the face before it will be what will take care of you. Handle it before it handles you. Please. Please.
Samutana. Samutana. Samutana.
Listen, Katide.
Yes.
It's too early for pointless talk. Please, stop hailing me. Who is Zitola, your love?
Oh, come on, Zitola. Come on, Zitola. Come on. See, what will it take for you to see how much I love you? I love you. Among all the maidens that we have in this kingdom that are desirous of me, you are the one that I love and desire. Please, Zitola, give me a chance to prove my affection for you. Please.
There is no chance and there is no space. Listen, I don't love you and I will never desire to be with you.
No, Zitola.
I will never.
Don't go that far. You never can tell. Please.
What's your problem? No, what exactly is your problem? You think I don't know? No, you think I don't know what you've been doing in this community with women? You think I don't know you had an affair with my friend? You think I don't know all the maidens you're having an affair with? No, I'm asking you. No, it's my turn, right? No, you want to have an affair with me. Then you will count me in.
No. See, I love you. The love I have for you is real. Yes, it is not. I would not want to count you as one of the maidens that I have done things with. No, I love you and I want to make you my wife.
Back off. You see the way you're dressing like those people that are going to dance on masquerade. Don't even cross my path.
I'm a great hunter. Zitola.
Who cares if you're hunter or not?
Zitola, I am going for hunting and whatever I have today will be for you. Never! Never! She can never escape my affection.
Samutana. 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 Zamutana.
Axiom, why am I having this very disturbing feeling that you are hiding something from me? Why do I feel you are not telling me exactly what happened to you in relation to this problem? Why?
We don't have to. There should be another way.
This is the only way, Axiom. Not just for us, but for generation to come. We are here now, we have to do it. We have to do it for everyone else. You're no longer a child.
Zuteti,
Yes.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, we have to do it. Now.
Zuteti.
Even when you know it yourself that I am the one you should be talking to, as the one that was very close to your father, the one your father confided in, why are you not talking to me? If you cannot talk to me, who then will you talk to? Why are you hiding things?
I have hidden nothing from you. Nothing that concerns you.
Okay, because you believe it is not my concern, you will not talk to me. What about those times you were asking me personal questions that concerned me and my family? Did I not answer you? I answered you because I see you as family. If I answered you, why are you not answering me? You are not talking. Axiom, you need help. From the way I am seeing this, you need help. And possibly, it is that day that you will open up to me and tell me what the problem is, that possibly your liberation will come. But can you make it possible for it to be today? Can today be that day that you will open up to me? Is it possible? Axiom, I need you to move in and pick the things you will most likely be needing. Because you are living with me.
Must I go with you?
Yes, you are living with me. It is better for you to go with me and be within my reach than leave you here for you to start wallowing in sorrow, wallow in sadness, and possibly do something that I wouldn't like. Begin to rave mad.
Kadala.
You are coming with me to my place, and that is where you will be until the end of today, so that I can be looking at you.
Is it that you are taking advantage of my predicament or what? You're pushing me up and down. That is an abuse.
Oh, it is better for me to abuse you than to leave you here for you to do something that I may most likely not be proud of. Listen to me. You are the son of my friend, and I have a duty to protect you, and I will go all out to do that. Get what you need. You are going with me.
Kadala, I'm old enough to know what I want.
Then I am older to know what will likely happen if I fail to do the things I am supposed to do as an elder. Stop looking at me. Move in and get what you need, or if you don't have anything to pick, then let's go.
What is this feeling? What is this deep craving I have for Axiom? Why can't I get rid of this thought? Sitola. What is it about him you so much desire? What will people say? What will they say? Should I care? Business is theirs over my love affair. Love? Is this love? Zitola, you are in love with Axiom. And so, if I am, it's no abomination. So we are really going for this? Zitola, does he even notice you? Why not let him notice you first? That is more appropriate. What if, while I am there waiting for him to notice me, another maiden will scoop in and claim him? Ah, Zitola. Zitola, you are finished.
Please, where is the god of water? It's over there. Over there. This is empty. Have you finished the water?
How is that possible? I took some water and I made sure I left some for you.
You left it in the sun. Now it's dried up. What is this? Did you bring me here to worsen my situation?
I am sorry about that. What you have to do now is relax. Do not get involved in any work again. I will finish the work and then we can go home.
I need water. You are talking about finishing work. Huh? Who is going to wait here for you?
I have water.
Zitola.
I also came with food. Greetings, Kadala. Greetings, Axiom.
You're welcome. Someone has actually solved your problem.
That is true. Hi.
Roasted yam.
Hey.
It's always.
Zetola is not around. She went to Elera's homestead. Not quite long.
It's alright. Elera's homestead, I shall go.
Come, please. Sit down, Katide.
I hope everything is fine.
I am sorry to intrude.
Hope that there is no problem.
Katide.
Yes, mother.
Be honest with me. Is everything going well between you and Zetola, my daughter? Katide, you know you can talk to me. Tell me, what is going on?
Mother, I love your daughter, Zitola, so much. But all my effort to prove my love for her, Zitola seems not to reciprocate it. Actually, I never wanted to mention it. Mother, can you imagine that I saw Zitola along the path today. And I tried to talk to her, but she bluntly brushed me off.
My own Zitola.
You don't believe me?
What did she do?
Actually, I never wanted to mention this. But let me just give you the rich order. Mother, before coming to this place, I decided to visit Elera's homestead, knowing well that Zitola always visits her at noon. But do you know what? Getting to Elera's homestead, Zitola was not there. Even Elera herself admitted it that she has not seen Zitola since today.
Ah, Katide. That can't be true.
Mother, would I lie to you?
Zitola would not lie to me either.
There is always a first time to lie. Yes. For the fact that she is not here and then lied to you about her whereabouts could only suggest one thing.
Which is?
I believe that Zitola is seeing another man.
No. No. Not my Zitola.
Not your Zitola. Where can she be? She lied to you that she was going to Elera's homestead. She is not here. She is not in Elera's homestead. Where else could she be? If not in another man's arms.
I know you will be wondering why I asked to see you.
Yes, Kadala.
Yeah, I just want to thank you for what you did today. It is not always you see a beautiful maiden who knows the right things to do. And the food you brought is actually a crown over it. Thank you for coming to see my boy and myself today.
Kadala, you don't have to thank me. I should be the one thanking you and your boy for making me so happy. Like I was laughing all my sorrows away. To tell you the truth, I have never laughed like this ever since I came to this earth.
Nice hearing this. That simply means there is something about him that you like. And having said that, are you not thinking that it is now right for you to tell him how you feel about him? Don't you think?
Kadala, what are you saying?
No, listen,
I don't feel anything.
I am not saying this to mock you. No! I am actually saying this because I want to encourage you. One of the gifts that come with old age is ability to observe and then reach excellent conclusion. I have already observed, based on the way you look at him, based on the way you laugh at his jokes, it is very clear that even a blind man can see that you have interest in him. And I am feeling that you should be able to tell him.
Kadala, I think you're mistaking everything.
No. Like I said, I'm not trying to mock you. I just want to encourage you because It appears as if the forces of the universe brought you his way. He needs someone in his life as it is. And I am seeing you to be that someone. And that is why I am saying you should be able to tell him how you feel about him. Don't say nothing. I just want you to go home and try to understand that it is possible, like I said, that forces that are superior to both of you are bringing both of you together. Okay? You can take it or we can take it up from there. Okay? Okay? Thank you. Hey, you may go.
I'll take my leave, Kadala. Thank you.
It's okay. Beautiful Zitola. It shall be well with you.
Zamu 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 dana. 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 Ayele mama.
So you have started lying to your mother, that you will tell me one thing and go ahead to do another.
Mother, what are you talking about? I don't understand what you're talking about. That I changed my destination and went somewhere else doesn't mean I lied to you.
Somewhere else, you said? Somewhere else? Where else do you know apart from your friend's house? Who else do you communicate very well with in this village? I'm asking you. Listen, Zitola, I did not bring you into this world to frustrate me. Do you hear me? I mean, what is wrong with you? Look at a handsome young man, Katide, very hardworking, begging for your attention, begging for affection, and you kept turning him down. What is your problem? What else do you want out of life if not something good?
I see. So, Mother, all this is because of Katide, right? No! I see he's the one that is feeding you. He has fed you with a lot of lies, and you will come here to accuse your own daughter, your child, your blood, because of Katide, a useless man. I don't blame him. I don't. Mother, you're supporting him because of bushmeat. Bushmeat that you can afford. Mother, you have everything. You have everything to afford any type of bushmeat that you want. Yet, you want Katide to be giving you bushmeat. Yeah. Anyway, I do not love Katide, and I will never love him. His love is not genuine. Open your eyes and see it.
Zitole, don't think you've grown. What do you know about love and affection that you want to be a good judge of it? I'm asking you. Do you know how to grow love? Love is being grown and nurtured. Love is planted. It doesn't grow out of air. It is planted and nurtured with time.
I wish you can understand that love is a beautiful thing. And a woman in love is a well woman.
Meaning that you are seeing another man. So it is true.
Meaning that I have planted my love on a land that will germinate. And certainly at the right time, my love will blossom. And everywhere will be so beautiful.
You have planted your love? Where? Zitola, I am asking you, Who are you seeing?
Mother, this little child of yours doesn't need any stress. Please, I need to go have some sleep. Thank you.
What does she mean? She has planted her love on a soil that is fertile, waiting to germinate. And she needs a long rest. Let it not be what I am thinking. Zitola! Zitola, come back here. We are not done with this.
Mama, Samu 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 Dana, 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 Ayele Mama, Ayele Mama, Samu 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 Dana, Samu 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 Dana, Samu 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 Dana, Samu 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 Dana. Ayele Mama, Ayele Mama, Samu 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 Dana, 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 Ayele Mama, Ayele Mama, Samu 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 Dana, 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 Ayele Mama, Ayele Mama, Samu 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 Dana, 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 Ayele Mama, Ayele Mama, Samu 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 Dana, Samu 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 Dana, Samu 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 Dana, Samu 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 Dana. Ayele Mama, Ayele Mama, Zamu 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 dana. 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 Ayele mama. Ayele mama. Zamudana, ayele mama, ayele mama,
Who is there?
Greetings, babe. I hope I did not wake you up.
Zitola, it's a little bit late. What are you doing here?
I came and saw that your water pot was empty, so I decided to help you fill it up. I hope you don't mind.
I appreciate that. But why did you do that, if I may ask?
I only just wanted to help you. Do you have a problem with that? When I'm done filling up the water, because I still have 2 more rounds to go, I will come and clean up your compound, because everywhere is looking very unkept.
No, don't worry. I made the compound like this and I like it. So don't bother. And I appreciate you for the one you did. Thank you so much.
What is that supposed to mean, Axiom?
Zitola, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Just.
Okay. I will take my leave.
Okay.
Zamu 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 dana. Zamu 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 dana. Zamu 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 dana. Zamu 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 dana.
Zitola.
Yes? Axiom, I know you'll be wondering, all of a sudden, I am being so nice to you, right?
Yes. Thank you.
Listen, you don't have to worry. I am being so nice because I can feel your pain. Your pain is familiar with the pain I have been through in my life. It's about my brother. Many years ago, I lost my father. At the early stage, my brother merged and manned up as a man and took over all the responsibilities my father used to handle. My father was no more to do all those things. And my eldest brother was now the one doing everything. He was a father to me and became a husband to my mother. He took care of all of us. He taught me discipline, manners, and made sure everything I ever wanted, I had it. But life happened to me. On that very good day, I lost my eyes. I lost my father again. I lost the only man who made me believe I am loved. Only man who was there for me. I lost my father. My oldest brother was taken away from me. Death took him.
Don't cry.
I was shattered. My mother was shattered. We were left with each other. My cradle drifted so far away from me. It was nowhere to be seen again.
Don't cry. How did you hear?
My brother still came to my dream and told me it was time for me to continue from where he stopped. That was the very day it dawned on me that my brother has been the one going through a lot and never showed it. He never wanted us to see the pain he went through because he wanted my mother and I to be happy. Then I regretted giving up on myself. It pained me that my mother, I wasn't taking care of her, and that was the day I made up my mind to become a husband, a son, and a daughter to my mother. So you see, we share a lot in common. Yours is your family, your wife, and mine too.
So can you stop that? So I really enjoyed the company. Hope I will see you again. Maybe at the farm.
Do you want to see me again?
I will appreciate it.
Then you will see me.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Zitula.
Zitola, why have you been avoiding me? Why?
I have been minding my business.
Where are you coming from? Do not tell me you are coming from Ilera's homestead because I'm just coming from there.
And who are you to question my whereabouts? Who are you? Are you my father or my guardian? Who are you?
Zitola. Zitola, this path leads to Axiom's homestead. Do not tell me
Do not tell you what? Do not tell you that this path also leads to the coven of witches. Listen, mind your business.
Zitola, I am not done talking to you. Zitola! Zitola! I'm not done talking to you!
Axiom, I want to ask you something.
Kadala, you usually take permissions before you ask questions.
What do you think your late wife would want for you right now?
What sort of question is that, Kadala?
Answer the question.
Well, my late wife wants me to be happy.
Look at me. Are you happy?
But why?
Answer the question. Are you happy?
I'm trying to be, but it's not working.
Do you know why?
Why?
Because you are yet to let go of the anchor you are used to. You need to understand that there is life ahead of you. You have to see things from a different perspective. You have to visualize the happiness that awaits you. And the only way is for you to prepare your hands to be able to grab anew. By any means, do you understand exactly what I mean by that?
Samu 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 tana. Samu 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 tana. Yeah yeah. Samu 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 tana. Samu 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 tana. Ayele mama. Yeah 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 yeah. Ayele mama. Ayele la 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 la. Samu 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 tana. Samu 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 tana.
That's enough. You have done so well. It's okay.
Are you sure?
Ayele mama. Yeah 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 yeah. Ayele mama. Yeah 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 yeah. Ayele mama. Yeah 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 yeah. Ayele mama. Yeah 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 yeah. Samu 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 tana. Samu 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 tana. Yeah yeah. Samu 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 tana. Samu 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 tana. Ayele mama. Yeah 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 yeah. Ayele mama. Ayele la 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 la.
You can't wait. Zitola, you can't wait. So this is it.
What is the meaning of this? Are you stalking me? No, are you stalking me?
Axiom. Katite.
You are dancing too close to the masquerade.
Katide, what is that supposed to mean?
Zitola here is mine.
She belongs to me.
I will not warn you again.
What are you trying to do? No, what exactly?
Come and shoot!
Are you trying
Come and shoot me, come! Katide, come here, come and shoot!
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about the embarrassment. He's just a man who is obsessed with me. But I don't want him. It's you I want. Come, let's go. Ignore him.
So Kadala is the one standing and backing that idiot that called himself Axiom in this kingdom? No! That will not happen. Not when I'm still alive. I have served her mother so much to lose her. It's not possible. Possible. Katide, does it mean that there is a man that can defeat you in place of her heart?
Oh yes. There is a man whom has captured my heart, and that man is Axiom. Whether he accepts me now or later, I will always wait for him, because my heart yearns and belongs to him. My heart belongs to Axiom.
No!
And not you.
No! No! Katide never loses.
I will kill Axiom. Yes, I will kill him. I will kill him.
No!
They call you Axiom.
That is my name.
But looking at you right now, I feel like changing that name.
Katide, I don't have any problem with you. And I am not thinking of having any problem with you.
The way you are talking means that you are having problem with me already. Listen. You are not in this kingdom before now. Therefore, you know nothing about this kingdom.
Katide, I don't know why you are trying to create problems between us. I don't have feelings for whoever you are thinking about. I don't know who is on your mind.
Axiom. Words are coming out from your mouth already. Listen. Stay away from Zitola. She is betrothed to me. I do not want you to come between us. I will not warn you again. Idiot!
Katide! Katide!
Katide, what has come over you? When did all this madness start?
Listen, Zitola.
You do not have any right to raise your voice at me like that. I just did what is right, and nobody, I repeat, nobody has the right to ask me any question.
If nobody has the right to ask you questions, I am standing in front of you to ask you that question that nobody has the right to ask.
Zitola, well, I can allow you to talk because I love you, but do not cross your boundary.
And if I do it, what will happen? You see that thing you are doing? Don't do it.
Zitola, why are you sounding like this? I love you. Yes, I do. The love I have for you is to make you my wife.
Katide, stay away from Axiom. If anything should happen to him, you see the rumors spreading. If I hear it again, you will have me to contend with.
Zitola, what happens to the things that I have done for you and your mother? What happens to them?
If those things are very, very important to you, go back to my mother and take them back. Please.
Katide never loses. Whatever Katide wants, that he will have. It is you, Zitola, that Katide wants. And Zitola, Katide must have.
Samu 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 tana. 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 Ayele mama. Ayele mama. Ayele.
Utopia! Utopia!
Oh, who is this again?
Utopia!
What?
You grateful woman! You grateful woman!
I feel like
I feel like killing you now.
What is it?
What is this kill you? Utopia! You ungrateful woman! Ungrateful woman, idiot!
Katide, please, can you just put the gun down?
If I hear cat today, I will blast out your head. You ungrateful woman! Ungrateful woman! Upon all the thing that I've done for you and your ungrateful daughter, this is how you pay me back.
What did we do?
What did you not do? This ungrateful woman, what did you not do?
Please, can you just point the gun down?
I'll kill you. If I hear point the gun down, I'll kill you here. Upon all the men in this kingdom, it is an idiot, Axiom, that you have decided to marry your daughter off to.
Axiom?
Yes!
That is not possible. God forbid. Zitola is yours and yours alone.
Yet, never by me.
Calm
but
down.
Everywhere with that idiot. Don't tell me to calm down.
Please, I promise I will make this right.
May what? May what, woman? May what?
Just point the
May
gun down.
what? Listen, for the records, just know it now that if I don't have Zitola, nobody will. Nobody in this kingdom will. Listen, prepare to vomit all the pain that I've done for you. You ungrateful woman. Ungrateful family.
It hasn't gotten
It has gotten to that idiot. Be prepared to vomit all that I've given to you. All the bushmeat. All the
Point the gun down.
I'll kill you.
It hasn't gotten to that.
It has gotten to that.
Don't do
Prepare
anything.
to vomit them. All the bushmeat that you've eaten. Prepare to vomit them. Ungrateful human being. Ungrateful woman. Idiot. You are an idiot. Axiom, idiot. Zitola, idiot. No, Zitola is not an idiot. Until she proves otherwise, then she will become the worst idiot. You're prepared to vomit them. Can you imagine? Yeah? Cut it there. I'll finish you here. Look at the kawaii, idiot. But everything I've done for you. Prepare to vomit them. All the bushmeat, all the things that this family is so grateful. Don't try me. Nobody. I said it, nobody. As far as this kingdom is concerned, nobody will ever have Zitola. If I don't have her.
What is wrong with Zitola? What? Katide, please don't do anything, Ashley. Don't do any stupid thing in a rush. This kill. Zitola, you have killed me. Where do I start getting the bushmates from? I don't want to face anybody's wrath. What is wrong? What is wrong with my daughter?
Did Zitola tell you she is not coming today?
Has she ever informed anyone whether she's coming or not?
I just hope everything is alright with her.
Mother, what is your problem? Please leave my way. Let me go.
Go where? To meet Axiom at the farm, right? Zitola, are you not ashamed of yourself? You should be ashamed.
Why will I be ashamed of myself? Why should I? Mother, this is a man who taught me what love means. And you're telling me that I shouldn't go and find him?
Love? What do you know about love? Hey! Axiom has bewitched my daughter. Axiom has bewitched you. Axiom has bewitched you.
Mother, leave it. If he has used a charm on me, I want to remain under the spell. Leave me, mother. Leave my way, please.
My friend, will you stand here? This is my husband's house. I have every right to stand where I please. And I'm standing on your way. I am standing on your way to madness. Open your eyes, Zitola. Open your eyes and see. Open your eyes and see what love is. Your love is Katide. What has he done that you cannot love him? Is it too hard? Of all the things he has done, all the sacrifices he has made to us, since your brother died, open your eyes.
Mother, please. Please, I beg you. Leave my brother out of this.
Then open your eyes.
And as for Katide, he's the one that has used a spell on you. You have to open your eyes, mother.
You will open your eyes to see that nothing good will ever come out from you and Axiom.
Let
it be, mother. A widower who has lost 2 wives. Can't you obviously see that he is diabolic? Mother. Do you want to die like other wives?
Mother, leave it.
I will not.
It's my choice.
It is not your choice. Axiom has bewitched you.
Mother, what is your problem?
My problem is you.
I will never be with Katide.
You will never be with Axiom.
He's a madman.
Give me that.
Mother, stop this thing you're doing. I don't like it.
Axiom, the sun is about to set, and Zitola still did not come today. It could actually mean maybe she is busy. But you have been awkwardly very cold today. Is it because you have not set eyes on her?
Far from it. I have been working.
I understand.
Yes.
You have been working and you need rest.
That is it.
It's okay. I will leave you to have that rest. You may not actually bother seeing me off. I will just go on my own.
Okay, Kadala.
But as I leave you, do not do anything your father will not be proud of.
Samu 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 tana. 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 Ayele mama. Ayele mama. Ayele
Katide never loses. Katide always gets what he wants. And now, Katide wants Zitola. Then, Zitola, Katide must have.
She promised to show up. We agreed to meet today. Was this all a game to her? I can't just sit and wait. I will go and find my answers. I will go and see Zitola.
Agnele mama,
Utafia! Utafia!
Who is that?
Please,
Katala,
I am the one.
why are you shouting my name?
Can you bring all the things you need to revive somebody and come with me? Please. Axiom is down.
What is wrong with Axiom?
Can you just come with me, please? Come, please. Let us save him.
Kadala,
Eh?
I just heard you. You called Axiom. What happened to him?
Zitola! Talk to me! What happened to him?
Axiom is down. And we need your mother to come and revive him. Please come with me. Bring the things you need and come with me.
I am coming.
I'm waiting. Otafa, please hurry. Hurry, please.
Samu samu tana. Samu 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 tana.
How is he doing? Is he alright? Is he going to leave? How is he doing? Can you say something?
If you let me, I will.
I'm come.
I have sealed his wound and applied the necessary herbs. This is my limit. Now his life is in the hands of the gods.
And what do you mean by that?
We wait.
Can I see him?
Zitola,
You have finally shown your true colors. Bully! Man killer! How dare you? How dare you, Katide? How dare you lay your filthy hands on an innocent man? A man who has done nothing but have good intentions for you.
Good intention? Did you say good intention? Listen. He dug his grave the moment he set his eyes on you. And the same dogs to anyone else that as much as dream of having you. Listen to me, Zitola. The life thread of any man lies in your hands. Other than myself that comes close to you.
You lie. You lie. Listen to me. You see that your fairy tale dream? You better come out of it. Because even if you die and you reincarnate, I will never accept you or belong to you. Listen. Pray nothing happens to him. Pray nothing happens to Axiom. If anything should happen to him, I swear by the gods, I will send your corpse to the evil forest.
Katide never loses. It is you that I want. And it is you, Katide, we have.
Samu 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 tana.
Rubbish!
Samu samu tana. Samu 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 tana. Samu 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 tana. Ayele mama.
Have you seen it, mother? Have you seen it? Have you seen the type of a man you wanted me to end up with? A man without morals. A man who can wake up and take another human's life. A man without respect. So imagine I ended up with him. I would be dead. You would have been carrying my dead body.
The gods forbid.
Why would the gods forbid? Why would the gods forbid? I ask you, mother. That's what you wanted. You wanted cat in the right? No, you wanted it to be my husband.
Zitola, not anymore. I never knew that Katide could be this wicked. I've realized my error. I'm sorry. And as from today, he will no longer be an option. That I promise you. Please, you have to forgive me.
Pray, mother. Pray to your creator that nothing happens to my Axiom. If anything happens to him, mother, consider yourself childless, because I will take my own life. And that is my promise.
Zitola! 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 Zitola!
Kalala, how is he?
No movement yet. But Axiom is a very strong man. I know he is going to pull through this.
Axiom, please wake up. Our love story just started. Please wake up, I love you. Please, my love.
What have I done? Katide, you just ended up pushing Zitola further away.
Samu 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 tana. 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 Ayele mama. Ayele mama. Ayele Samu 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 tana. Samu 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 tana. Samu Zamu 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 dana. Zamu 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 dana. Ayele mama, yeah 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 yeah, yeah yeah. Ayele mama, yeah 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 yeah. Zamu 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 dana. Zamu 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 dana. Zamu 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 dana.
Please wipe your tears. Axiom will be all right. I'll make sure that nothing happens to him. Please.
Adala, where are you going to? I am going to Zitola. I need to let her know that you are up. That maiden has been very worried all this while.
Adala, please, for once, do as I say.
Ayele mama, yeah yeah yeah. Ayele mama, yeah yeah yeah. Zamu 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 dana. Zamu 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 dana. Zamu 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 dana.
Your silence is draining life out of me, Zitola. What can I do to bring peace to your heart? What must I do? Creator, you have to help me on this.
Ayele mama, yeah 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 yeah.
What is the meaning of this? Let me through to my patient.
He is no longer unconscious, so your services will no longer be needed.
Wait. Kadala, you are not making sense. Let me ask you. Did Axiom tell you not to let anyone through, or is this your will?
Utofia, I would advise you go home and solve the conflict in your home first.
There you're mistaken. Because the herbs in which I will use to solve the conflict in my home lies in there with Axiom, and I must speak with him before I leave. So please.
Utofia, you are daring me, and it is not good.
Kadala, leave my way. Down!
Sophia!
Zamu 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 tana. Zamu 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 tana.
Uredada! 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 Urede! Urede! Uredada! 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 Urede! 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 Uredada! Uredada! Welcome.
Great Aura, here with me is my bloodline. We were assured that here in your dwelling, everything we desire is meant.
You have come. You have reached. Speak on.
Great Aura, you are in suffering. You are in sorrows. You are in lack. We don't want suffering anymore. We want enough. Enough in offspring. Enough in wealth. Not just for us, but for our generation yet to come.
You come with nothing, but was seeking enough.
But I have not come with nothing. I have come with the sheer will of my bloodline, willingly to give whatever great Aura deems from us.
What I want, I will take.
What you want, we will give.
What I want, you will give.
Willingly, we accept. Willingly, we give.
Our words have become law. Riches, yours. Offspring, yours. Wealth, yours. Your lives, mine, and mine alone.
Willingly, we accept. Willingly, we give.
How do we know it has worked? It is past 4 market days already, yet nothing.
Now you are eager for the benefit. No more whining like a little boy.
The deed has been done. The journey has been made. Why won't I be eager?
Then be patient. I'm already feeling the turning inborn. You just have to wait and expect. You have to wait.
Ukati.
This is wealth to 30. We have made it.
Finally.
Hey? Yes. Yes. To 30.
As you.
Yes.
As you. Yeah. I told you. We have it now. We are made.
I can't believe my eyes. People were just patronizing us. Even people that don't need our goods, they were buying from us.
Dad, my brother, all thanks to Aura. Together, we suffer no more. Now, I can get married to Marty.
And I can get married to my beloved Coffee. We can be together now.
Together, we'll marry our beloved and we'll litter this ground with our riches.
I can now marry my beloved Coffee. Coffee, we are together.
My brother, we just begun.
Let me keep this for us. It's too much. Too much.
We have made.
Great Aura, thank you for blessing us. Thank you for blessing us, Great Aura.
Samu 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 tana.
Moland. From okay.
My husband. You're welcome. I'm fine. You know I always miss you.
Oh, you put everything.
Welcome.
Let's go inside.
My brother. My brother, I'll see you.
Okay. I'll see you later.
Okay.
Samu 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 tana.
You are mine. You all are mine. You are mine. You all are mine. You belong to me. You belong to me. You belong to me. You belong to me. You belong to me.
Just a dream, Axiom. My brother.
Zuteti, I will not lie to you. I don't like the feeling of that dream.
This is reality. And dream is not real.
I beg to differ. It feels like one.
Really? So tell me, why did Great Aura who harm his people when we offer him with biggest cows and make the biggest sacrifice to him?
Zuteti, we have never offered him what he wants. We only offer him at our leisure. Great Aura has never made a demand.
I wish he will, but till then, let your dream remain itself.
gods.
Thank you.
Thanks to the gods. God.
Speak!
Talk. What is happening? What happened?
We lost them.
What do you mean that we lost them?
The mothers and the babies. They are dead. Please take heart. Take heart, please. Take heart.
Zutati! Hey!
Axiom, what are you doing?
Zutati!
Axiom, stop! Stop! Enough! My brother, enough! My brother, enough! Enough! Stop! Axiom, stop! Stop!
I knew there is more to you. But I never thought you could be this much.
Axiom, and you have kept this to yourself without opening up to me? I was very close to your father. Your father never hid anything from me. I was begging you, open up to me and tell me what the problem was. And you refused? All this why?
Kadala, now you know. Otofia, I have revealed the truth. To what ends now?
Zetola, my daughter. She's threatened me with either you or death. So it is on me now to make sure she gets what she wants without losing her life.
I have tried my best, all to no avail. My situation is helpless and hopeless.
Can you stop condemning yourself? There is no situation that has no way out. This situation, this very one, there is a way out.
If you wouldn't mind, let me take you to my road. Great Mother Zurede. Great Mother Zurede. Great Mother Zurede. Great Mother Zurede. The great mother that hears the cry of her offsprings. You're welcome, my daughter.
La la zule, zule la le. 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 La la zule,
Zurede, I have come.
What finds you here? You evil spirits from the darkest part of the evil forest.
What do you seek for my farm?
What farm do you speak of? Did you see any yams or cocoyams here?
Axiom is mine. What I took from him, I paid back. What I did not give, he took. So Axiom is mine.
There is nothing left for him. You have taken everything. Everything.
His life remains. His life he willingly gave me. His life is also mine.
What life do you speak of? Is it the life that his creator will not contend with you when you take it? Or the life that is an anchor to this realm? Or the life when it dies, returns your soul back to your dwelling place in the evil forest?
That is if I agree. Everything he has is mine.
By tradition, he is not yours.
That is how it is. And it will be so for eternity. Remove your hand from my farm, Zurede. It is for the sake of your life.
What did you say? Leave my presence at once! Leave my presence at once! Leave! What are you willing to give to keep the lives of your loved ones safe?
My life, I gave willingly.
Always the life. The life that was never theirs.
Apologies, Great Mother Zurede. Temper your wrath upon your little foolish ones. Please.
The life you willingly gave in the evil forest is not yours to give anymore. Your lives are intertwined. Your life he can never take, for his anchor to this realm you are.
Graceful Mother, what is necessary to secure the life of my loved ones?
When a man plants his seed in the farmland of another, the seed ceases to be his, but that of the Lord of the land. Axiom, the path left for you to tread is the one that causes you never to have another of your own. For by tradition it is yours, but his by binding law.
Zamu 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 dana. Zamu 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 dana. Zamu 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 dana. Zamu 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 dana.
Is there no other way?
I'm sorry, my love, but this is the only way.
Then, so be it.
Zamu 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 dana. Zamu 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 dana. Yo yo. Zamu 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 dana. Zamu 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 dana. Ayele mama, yeah, 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 yeah. Ayele mama, yeah, 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 yeah. Samu, 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 dana.
You're welcome.
Utofia.
Thank him. Oh, may the gods be praised.
Yes. I bought this for you, Utofia.
Thank you.
You're good.
You are the best.
Thank you.
Axiom.
Thank you.
You gave me a grandchild. Yes. Gods of the universe.
Yes.
Creator of mankind. Thank you. I'm so happy.
Zamu 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 dana. 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 Ayele mama. Yeah 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 yeah. Ayele mama. Ayele la 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 la. Yele. Zamu 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 dana. Zamu 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 dana. Yo yo. Zamu 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 dana. Zamu 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 dana. Ayele mama. Yeah 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 yeah. Yeah yeah.